Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change language in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Chrome and go to Wondershare Filmora website and download the application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, that is not necessary. Now, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the File, Edit, Tools, View, Export, and Help options. And also we have the Media, Audio, Titles, Transaction, Effects, Elements, and the Split Screen option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change language in Filmora. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these two steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically guys, what you need to do is the common mistake that people make is go to titles and they think that they can find it here, that language changer, but it's not there guys. You can go and back to media. It will be in the top of the screen. We have, as you can see, File, Edit, Tools, View, Export, and Help. What we need to do and click is on the File option. Now when you're there, you just need to go down here, scroll, and click on preferences. When you click on preferences guys, there you will immediately have a screen pop out and you'll have the option to change your language. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us, and that is a ton to us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.